Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do ledger scrutiny. Begin by understanding the purpose of each account and its normal balance. Next, obtain the general ledger and any relevant subsidiary ledgers. Compare the opening and closing balances to ensure they reconcile. Pay close attention to large or unusual transactions that might require further investigation. This foundational step is crucial for effective financial oversight. Now, let's dive into detailed analysis. Start by reconciling bank statements with your cash ledger entries, ideally on a monthly basis, to catch discrepancies early. Ensure all journal entries are supported by proper documentation and have the necessary authorizations. Furthermore, analyze expense accounts for any unusual spikes or patterns, such as a 25% increase in a specific category without clear justification. This thorough review helps maintain financial integrity. When scrutinizing ledgers, certain red flags demand attention. Always look for missing documents or incomplete transaction records, as these often indicate potential issues. Investigate frequent round number transactions, like multiple $1,000 entries or any duplicate payments, which could signal errors or even fraud. Also, be wary of unusual journal entries posted near the end of a reporting period, as these might be attempts to manipulate financial statements. Vigilance is key. To ensure robust ledger scrutiny, implement regular, scheduled reviews, perhaps quarterly, to maintain consistency and catch issues promptly. Leverage your accounting software's features for automated checks and reporting, which can highlight anomalies efficiently. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, always document your findings and follow up on any identified discrepancies to ensure corrective actions are taken. This systematic approach strengthens financial controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.